The most common question I get on all my live streams is, what do I think this project can get to? What are the best picks? What should I buy? Things like that. So instead of just giving you the information, I want to help you learn so you can actually figure it out yourself and find out with your own conviction why you like these projects and potentially open your portfolio and diversify based on the best opportunities that present themselves. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ. I've helped over 2,000 people learn how to trade since 2021. I'm also the founder of the EPIQ Trading Floor, which if you want to join us, you can sign up for free. I'll tag the link in the video as well as the description. We do have 5 all-access spots left at $99 per month. Once those spots fill, it's going to go up to $149 per month. So if you want to try that out, click the all-access pass button. There's also going to be a link in the description. You can try it out for free for 72 hours, and you get 50% off the first month. Now, when you're looking for altcoins and things that could potentially start to pop off, CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, either one, they're going to be your best friend. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using CoinGecko, and these are essentially going to be aggregate websites where you can kind of track performance on altcoins, 24-hour volume, market caps, price, sectors, hottest projects, so on and so forth. There's a lot of different things that go into this. But this website will end up being your best friend. Now, there's a couple ways that you can use this to your advantage too, and I'm going to dive into it a little bit more in other videos as well. But the first thing I want to focus on is going into the categories. Now, going into categories, it's going to give you all the different sectors of the market, like L1s, L2s, liquid staking, meme coins, RWAs, dog themes, artificial intelligence, you name it. It's going to list out all of these. They're going to show you the 24-hour volume, the market cap, the amount of projects or coins that are listed under each one, and their last 7-day performance. Now, this is a great starting point because you can learn a lot about the crypto space just by going through these and kind of figuring out what sectors are doing what. And for me personally, what I like to figure out are the sectors that can basically be game-changing moving into the future. Like, for example, how AI is now changing the landscape of everything that we do, even into the Web 2 and Web 3 spaces, going all the way to the mainstream. And you see how valuable ChatGPT and OpenAI and things like that are. So by going through here, you can essentially do a lot of research on these sectors and find a lot of projects and create your own conviction, because at the end of the day, conviction is the most important part. That's going to be all the things that you can put together that'll put a narrative that this project has a very high probability of going to the top side. Because you have to remember, this is a game of probability. This is not a win or lose. It's not just a one and done type thing. The market is always tradable, so you can always get in and get out. And depending on when you get in versus when you get out is going to make a big difference on kind of how you feel about the market in general. Some of the sectors that I like to give you a little bit extra are going to be RWA, layer 2 scaling solutions, interoperability, DPIN, GameFi, AI, rollups, synthetic or liquid assets, and decentralized cloud storage, just to name a few. And I have about 65 projects in my long-term portfolio. This is how I kind of diversify that, so that I'm making sure I'm not only investing in liquid staking or only in RWAs or only in L1s. I pretty much have a nice little scatter. I have about, let's say, 15 to 20 different ecosystems and sectors that I really like going into the next 5 to 10 to 20 years. And then from there, I like to find a few projects within each of those ecosystems that give me a really good upside opportunity, which we're going to cover in one of the next videos. So if you learned anything in this video, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. Like I said, it is free to sign up. We are the world's first social media platform that's built specifically for traders. And if you want to try out the All Access Pass, you can do that for free for 3 days. And just to give you a little bit of a heads up what's going on in the next few episodes of this series, it's going to be more covering about how you can find these altcoins, the best probable potential, how you can see what the return could be based on the current market cap and kind of where we're sitting based on the relativeness of the market, and a few other things. So I appreciate you all, and I hope you have an amazing day.